on a job site where we're doing electrostatic painting on some new fences. This will give you an opportunity to see how the product works. This is the machine that we use to paint the metal fences electrostatically. It's an electrical machine, and we've got a wire that is grounded into the ground, and then we have a small hobby-sized air compressor that puts a little bit of air pressure inside of this pressure pot that has paint in it. And then what it does is that little bit of pressure squirts the paint through the hose and up to this gun. And there's a high voltage electric charge at this gun. And at the end, this tip rotates, and there's a little plastic tube that squirts paint into it. And if the paint was just into the spinning tube or spinning disc, it would just fling it all over the place. But the high electric charge atomizes it, and when the gun gets close to the surface, then the paint particles are attracted to the metal. What we're showing here is the way that he paints a panel of fencing, and noticing that the paint, as it's coming out of the gun, not only does it paint the side that he's working on, but it wraps through and starts painting on the far side as well. Now that he's gone around and got most of the angles and stuff with the first coat of paint on it, now he's going to go through the fact that the paint is so attracted to the metal that even as the paint goes through, it's drawn back onto the metal, accounts for part of the reason that there's very little overspray with our painting technique. That, and as you can see, there's no high pressure air or high pressure material like in the airless type spray gun to be flowing excess overspray into the air. Both of those things contribute to the fact that we use less paint, and so there's less overspray blown into the environment. Here the painter is going back over and applying some additional material to the side of the fence that the paint was just coming through and sticking to. What this does is ensure a good complete coat, and also there's additional paint going on to the original side that he was working on. Going over this twice and just getting more and more coverage as we're going is a lot more efficient use of our painting time. Other types of painting require that you have to go 2 passes on each side for a total of 4 different times over the fence. And they have to all be complete passes.